Hi friends, I'm back. Today I'm making a delicious boiled egg curry that's creamy and yummy. Boil the eggs for 10 to 12 minutes and peel and cut onions and tomatoes. Add oil into a frying pan, mixing the turmeric, chili powder, cumin, and salt. Stir well and add the egg. Stir the eggs. Add the onion and cook until golden. Stir in the garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Cook for 1 minute. Add the tomato puree, pulp, and cook. Pour in the coconut milk and water, simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Add the boiled eggs and gently simmer for another 5 minutes so they absorb the flavors. Add curry leaves. And the dish is ready to be served hot. Enjoy.